Hello everyone, this is your host from TechVibes. A new update for the Downloader app is rolling out right now. It comes with significant changes. This update applies to both Fire TV and Android TV devices. I'm using my 4K Pro Android TV box today. However, this update applies to all compatible devices. Let's launch the new version 2 Downloader app. We get this quick start guide right here. Downloader is a helpful tool. If you enjoy it, please consider supporting the developers. We use this application every day. Pretty much everything on our streaming devices starts with Downloader. I am going to hit the OK button now. I really like this header that the developers have created. It gives us a nice snapshot of everything that is new. One big change is that we used to have separate buttons for home and browser. That has now changed. The browser is now integrated into the home screen, which eliminates the separate browser tab. This simplifies the app by consolidating everything into the address bar at the top. You can see my cursor is moving around here in the header. If I move it all the way to the left, you will see a flyout menu appear. This sidebar now auto-hides when inactive, which allows this browser view to be 38% larger than before. To open that sidebar, there are a few ways you can do it. You can press the cursor all the way to the left, or you can simply highlight the Downloader tab in the top left corner of the screen. Click that and you get the flyout menu. To the right of the URL bar, we have a pound sign. When you click that, it automatically opens the number pad. This makes it quicker and easier to type in the short codes that we use. If you do not use that, you can click the URL box itself to get the typical keyboard. I am going to go ahead and open a resource to demonstrate. I will press the pound sign and enter the code. Hit the check mark. I am going to scroll down now. I really like this update because of the larger browser space. It is 38% larger than before. For those of you who use this browser, this should be a welcome update. I want to download and install an application to show you something regarding the Files section. I am going to go ahead and download a popular streaming application. Since this is the first time I am using Downloader on this specific setup, I need to go into Settings. I will turn on Unknown Apps for Downloader. Since I already have this application installed on this device, it is updating rather than installing a fresh copy. I am going to click Done. I am not going to click Delete because I want to show you something that comes with this update. Typically, we delete these installation files, but I will keep them for now. Something else you will notice with this update is that the browser cursor movement is now smoother and more precise. This makes it easier to click small web links. As a reminder, there are many applications that are not available within the Amazon App Store or Google Play. By clicking the tutorial button for each of the apps, it opens a corresponding tutorial that you can view directly on your TV screen. I am going to move over to the left side and go into Files. This is another feature of the update. If you go up to the top and click the 3 dots, you will now see an option to delete all files. This is much faster than going through each one and deleting them separately. Also, the browser now registers as a standard Android web browser. It will automatically handle web links from other apps if no alternative browsers are installed on the device. You can click the option that says "Click here to dismiss forever" once you are done using the header that indicates the new updates. Another new feature is that websites and third-party apps can now use custom downloader links to send URLs, shortcodes, or search terms directly to the app. If you want to get this Downloader version 2 update and you already have auto updates enabled, it will update automatically. If you want to force the update on Android TV, just go to the home screen, hold down on the microphone button of your remote control, and say Open Google Play. You can also use a shortcut to get into Google Play. Hover over your avatar, go into Updates, and you should see Downloader as a pending update. Just click Update All. The same applies for Fire TV devices. Just open the Amazon App Store, look for Downloader, and update it. Alternatively, you can simply uninstall Downloader and then reinstall it to get the latest version. Let me know in the comments below what you think about these new Downloader updates. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to my TechVibes channel for many more tutorials like this in the future. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for following TechVibes. Have a great day.